so silly in the mornings. You're so silly. You're so silly. You can go outside? You wanna go outside? You can go outside, buddy? Go outside? You can go outside? He's a crazy boy. He's a crazy He just went right. Oh, you ain't gonna eat out of that bag. You crazy. Crazy buddy. He does that all the time. Calm down. Come on. Sorry about the horrible camera aim. Here's our backyard, and there's his run line. Sit, Nico. Sit. Nico, come here. Come here, buddy. Sit. Good boy. It can be difficult using one hand. It was upside down for a second. Huh. Didn't notice. Sorry about that. He broke the other two, which were made of aluminum. This one's made out of heat-treated steel, and I was the one who heat-treated this. Ain't getting away no more, are you? Neighbor's got a pretty horse.